David's catching the rooster. Oh no, here! Oh, he's running after you. Woo!
With me too? I think you both in one squash.
Aww. Oh, he's gonna attack you. Oh, he's running after you still. I don't want to be around him. And he's gone out with the little rooster. You're next, big fella. Oh, he's mad now. Now he's going to start doing his cock-a-doodle-doing.
Get down here, Rooster, last time, you little cock sucker.
Oh, no. Oh! Oh, he's mad at you. I just don't want him coming over to me, that's all I know. And he's probably going to run my direction. Oh. This is good. Okay, Rooster, you're about to go to a new home with a bunch of hens. You're about to have a lot of late. Oh, be careful. Don't accidentally hit it. You know what? Maybe we should put some feed in the... I know! I know! He knows! He knows he's going. Very funny.
Got it!
Yeah. Oh! He got away again. We might have another reason for him to stay another day. Hey, I think that's a dangerous tool. Would you like my stick? We may have chicken for dinner. My tomato plant. And the other one is outside in the truck in the kennel screaming. I can hear him. He's behind me. Not happy at all.
I'm gonna fish him. We'll be caught.
Oh no! I know what you're gonna do. Oh my goodness gracious. As you can see, we live by the ocean. Okay, that's my jalapenos. Let them come out. Oh!
Oh yeah.
Okay. That was very entertaining. Ooh, okay. Now I have to go see jalapenos. Don't let him go. Jalapeno goodness.
And up this boy is coming. Come on, boy.
We are conquerors.